Hello, everyone. To convert an image to an editable Word document, follow these steps. First, open Microsoft Word and click on the Insert tab at the top. Then click on Pictures. Select this device to choose an image from your computer. Browse and select the image you want to convert, then click Insert. Now click on File in the top menu. Then click on Save As. Click on Browse to choose where to save the file. In the Save as Type dropdown, change it to PDF. Give it a name and click Save. Now your image is saved as a PDF. Click on File again, then click on Open. Click Browse and locate the PDF file you just saved. Select it and click Open. A pop-up message will appear asking if you want to convert the PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK to confirm. And voila! Word will now convert the PDF and extract the text from your image, making it fully editable. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.